Today I'm going to Lily's Place Animal Sanctuary in Cambridge Narrows, New Brunswick. They're having an open house. Let's go. Chocolates. Made in Moncton. Moncton?
Yes.
I do. Those frogs.
Promise, not chocolate. I mean, not ceramics.
Yeah.
Definitely chocolate.
Anything, so yeah, yep. Johnny.
Who's that? Oh, Johnny.
That's Johnny.
Johnny and
Johnny's
June? Johnny and
nice guy
June?
usually,
Oh.
but
Not
sometimes
always.
he pushes new volunteers around.
Asserting dominance.
Yeah,
On the place.
the funny thing is, like, so I thought, okay, he's going to be the top sheep here. He's going to be the big guy, but Nancy, wherever she went, is higher up than Johnny. So Annie there is closest to the wall. She's the matriarch.
Oh, Annie.
And then Funky, who I think is inside right now. And then actually Nancy. I think then Johnny. And then Gracie and Sid are kind of hard to tell, and then June's at the bottom.
June's pretty skittish.
Yeah, she's still skittish.
She's her feisty as ever.
Is she?
Whenever I'm cleaning in the coop, she'll come and up and peck me
Oh,
with her
really?
adventure chicken, Mitzi. We both always.
Oh, they're so sweet.
She used to never let me. You met them last year, though,
I
right?
did, yes. Yeah. What's the other, his mother's name?
Daisy.
Daisy.
Yeah.
Daisy.
And Daisy. She is very. She's like, it's like she's watching TV over there. I think
Oh.
she even has like a view over to the where Karina and the park.
Oh,
Yeah, so she's like, what?
Mesmerized.
What are people doing here? If you remember last year, the house wasn't here yet.
no.
So they were in with everyone else.
Yes. This is the goat house, and there's fencing all around this section of woods, and they've created a goat forest. So they can go in and explore and eat. Daisy's keeping an eye on the driveway. So it's like she's watching TV. She's just enthralled. Hi.
Chicken. Oh, let me have a chicken.
Amethyst.
Oh, I love black ones and brown